In this lesson, I will explain to you how to access list by using index. Before going to start, I will explain to you these three sentences or lines so the concept will be more clear. List contains comma separated objects enclosed in a square bracket. These two are the conditions of the lists, that all the items should be separated by comma. Here in this example, I have mentioned some brands: MK, Coach, Gas, Nike, and so on. So you can see these are separated by commas. And the second condition is that these objects should be enclosed in the square bracket, means it has to be start from the square bracket and then you have to end with the square bracket as well. Then it is called the string. Second is list. Second is lists give an index number to each list item. These are the list items, and keep in mind that always index will start from 0. So first element in the list is index 0. You have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do not count from 1. Always index, you have to count from 0, 1, 2, 3 if it is positive. If you count from left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3. But if you have to count from right to left, always you have to use the negative sign. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. From right to left, you do not have to count from 0, 0, 1, 2. No, you have to count negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. But from left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here is the example. Suppose these are the brand name, right? I want to retrieve only the item which is located on index 3. So if someone asks you, okay, what should be the outcome? Do not say gas, right? This is in the third position, but this is the index. Index, always you have to count from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. The answer is Nike, not the gas. If you want 5, right? If I will ask you what should be the answer, so do not say Gucci. 1, 2, 3. Index always start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So its output will be Chanel. If I will write down negative 1, so negative 1 index you have to count from right to left, from Adidas. If I will say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 with the positive 6 or negative 1, both are same. Same thing, 5 and negative 2, right? If I say negative 1, so see, Adidas will come here. And if I will write down only 6, so again the Adidas will come up here. Right? So positive, you have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, from left to right. If it is negative, if I will write down negative 2, it means you have to start from here. Chanel will come. Right? Okay. Next example. In the next example, I have written 4 index numbers, only to show you that it is not the hard and fast rule that you can retrieve. You can take the output of only one item at a time. No. If you want, you can take 2 or 3 or 4. It's up to you. So here I have mentioned print brand underscore name 0, the item which is located at the 0, and this is 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 Nike. Negative 1 will be this, and negative 4 will be here again Nike. So see, take the MK is the first item, third Nike is the fourth item, and so on. So it means if you want, you can take the output of 4 or 5, or it's up to you. One more example. Here, suppose if you want to join 2 items with some string, see, print brand underscore name 1, and if I will ask you, okay, what is 1? Do not say MK, it's 0. This is 1, 0, 1. I'll repeat it again and again. In this way, you will learn more. So 1, which is Coach, and then I have written some string here, is similar to brand underscore name, and index 4. So what is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, Gucci. So what should be the output? Output will be Coach is similar to Gucci. So see, when I will run, Coach is similar to Gucci. If you want MK, make it 0 here. Whatever you want. If you want 5, so just write down 5 and run it. So it will say MK is similar to Chanel. So here you have learned that you can join two items with some string. And the last example, this is very, very important. See, these are the integers. If you want to add all integers or 3 integers or 4 integers, it's up to you. So I have made another variable, sum underscore total is equal to test underscore marks second, means the item which is located in the index position 2, it means 0, 1, 2, 78, 3, 4, 5, 54 and 6, and then you have to make a total of this. So the total, how you want to get the output print, the total is 166. If you want, you can change it. Just try one more time. Make it 0, which is 80. What else? Make it 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 76. Okay, and 6 is fine. So run it and see here 190. So if you want, you can add all these numbers. If you want, you can add or you can make a total of 5 or 6 or 2 or 3. It's up to you. But again, I suggest you to practice this, because practice makes a man perfect. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.